We'll guide you through how to use Java in Visual Studio Code, ensuring you have everything set up perfectly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official website. Next, you'll want to install the Java extension pack. To do this, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon on the sidebar, which looks like 4 squares. In the search bar, type Java Extension Pack and install it. This pack includes several essential tools such as language support for Java and the Java debugger. Once installed, restart VSCode to make sure everything loads correctly. Now, you need to ensure that Java is installed on your system. You can download the latest Java Development Kit, or JDK, from the Oracle website. After installation, make sure to set your Java home environment variable to point to the JDK installation directory. In VS Code, open the command palette by pressing F1 or Ctrl+Shift+P and type Java. Configure Java Runtime to verify your Java runtime settings. Now, you're ready to create your first Java project. In VS Code, go to File, then New Project. Select Java from the list of available options. You can choose from different project types like Java Application or Maven Project. Follow the prompts to set up your project structure. Once your project is set up, you can create a new Java file by right-clicking the src folder, selecting New File, and naming it with a .java extension. VS Code provides syntax highlighting and code completion to make your coding experience smoother. When you're ready to run your Java file, simply right-click in the editor and select Run Java. This will compile and execute your code, and you can see the output in the terminal window at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.